brothers must inform. This YouTube pool contains loud noises, dark and sexual humor, flashlights. Otherwise, enjoy the YouTube food.
Beep beep beep. Welcome back to sucking my juicy dick. Which is why yesterday I asked you to fill in my ass. This sauce is my favorite salted penis flavor, and they're infused with cum. Fuck you, mommy. You're the reason I'm a little behind social. I beat my meat. There's not Obama and Bush suck meat. There's a big juicy meat. And not to be hurtful, but you really gotta lose weight. Also, I can eat my own ass. Beep beep, welcome back to T News. We have some juicy news and some hot nuts, which is why yesterday I asked to fill in the blank. And once again, I have no fucking idea what I'm about to read, so this is gonna suck. I fucking hate my life. I have a sex fantasy for you. Imagine your hot girlfriend shoved her fat cup up your friend's hot shit hole. Just that. Make you want to come inches every week. Am I right, fellas? Hey, you ever get tired, like in the middle of the day? Well, Verb energy bars have the same amount of caffeine as an espresso. Virgin. Welcome back to Beep Beep News. Anyway, I saw a little dangly fuck us in between my grandma's own pussy lips, and it did not taste very good in my mouth. Hey, don't mind if I kill my dumbass girlfriend. Salted peanut. This just in. They we damn. A cuckoo. You hate to see. I listened to car crash ASMR.
Oh no. Oh no!
Breaking news, hey, that body was found suffocated, pussy, and then her throat. I should not have had that. Reduce the price of coke. I'm out, crash out. P.S. I am the reason your mom got pregnant as a teen.